Hey there, it's Steve from SeriousKeto, and I am about to give away over $300 worth of Keto Chow. Yes, you heard correctly. This week I am giving away over $300 worth of Keto Chow. And by that I mean Chris and Miriam Bear from Keto Chow are giving away the Keto Chow. I'm just riding their generous coattails. If you're wondering where the usual Friday recipe video is, I know it's been 2 weeks that I haven't done it. 2 weeks ago, I was under the weather and just couldn't pull together a video. This week, I ran into a couple of epic recipe fails. So I do promise you that next week, I will be back with some cooking videos. I also promise you that I'm going to continue doing weekly giveaways, at least until Thanksgiving, maybe all the way until Christmas. Now, some of these giveaways are going to be strictly for the US, some are going to be US and Canada, and I promise that I will do at least one that is global. What I can do geographically in terms of giveaways is kind of dictated by the companies I'm working with, their shipping policies, and so forth. And this one, the Keto Chow, is going to be US only. So I apologize to those of you outside of the US. This one is not available for you. Now, before I get into the details of the giveaway, I just want to share a little bit of my background with Keto Chow. I initially was not at all interested in Keto Chow. For probably 6 months, I had viewers asking me, what do you think of Keto Chow? And when are you going to review Keto Chow? And Steve, I know you're going to love Keto Chow. Why don't you just give it a try? Finally, I relented and I let Chris from Keto Chow send me some Keto Chow. And as I got ready to do the review, I was fully expecting to not like it. I mean, I was sort of predisposed against a meal replacement because this is a cooking channel, and I would rather have you cooking than having meal replacements. But I realized sometimes cooking isn't an option, sometimes you're in a hurry, sometimes you're having a snack attack, and you need something you can fall back on. So I gave Keto Chow a try and fell in love. And this is not me pimping for Keto Chow or doing some sort of a paid promo for them. If you've watched this channel for any length of time, you know that I am brutally honest when it comes to reviews. And if I say I like something, it's because I like something, and I like Keto Chow. I've really grown to love Keto Chow, though, as something I can cook with and especially make ice cream with. If you have a Ninja Creamy, and I'll link to my review right up here, making ice cream with Keto Chow is a breeze, and you're gonna love it. But let's get into the details of this giveaway, shall we? There will be 3 winners to this contest, so already kind of exciting, you're boosting your odds. It is limited to the US, but it is not limited to new customers of Keto Chow. So anybody in the US can enter. The first prize we are giving away is the Keto Chow Starter Kit. This comes with 6 flavors: chocolate, salted caramel, mocha, vanilla, strawberry, and snickerdoodle, as well as a blender bottle. The basic starter kit sells for $29. Next, we move up to the Premium Starter Kit. This sells for $100 on the Keto Chow website and comes with 16 meal packets. 2 chocolate, 2 chocolate peanut butter, which is probably my favorite flavor, 2 salted caramel, 2 vanilla, 2 chocolate toffee, 2 snickerdoodle, 2 lemon meringue, a strawberry, and a banana. It comes with a Keto Quick Start Guide, a blender bottle, a Keto Chow tape measure. I don't know how awesome that is, but hey, you get it. You also get the electrolyte drops and the daily minerals. The third and luckiest of our winners will win the Elite Starter Kit. This thing is awesome. It's like this big box right here. The Elite box has 30 meal packets. 3 chocolate, 2 chocolate peanut butter, 2 cookies and cream, 2 salted caramel, 2 vanilla, 2 chocolate toffee, 2 caramel macchiato, another great flavor, 2 snickerdoodle, 2 mocha, 2 natural strawberry, 2 raspberry cheesecake, again, probably one of my top 2 or 3 flavors, 2 lemon meringue, 2 chocolate mint, 2 pistachio, and banana. It also comes with the Elite Quick Start Guide. This is basically kind of everything you need to know about keto encapsulated into a little flip chart here. It's got a magnet on it too, so you can put it on your fridge. You get 2 blender bottles, as well as the electrolytes, daily minerals, magnesium, I hope I'm pointing at the right thing, nope, fasting drops, and magnesium. This sells for $175 out on the Keto Chow website. So add them all up, it's over $300 that Keto Chow is giving away. And all you need to do to enter is leave a comment down below. Then on Saturday, November 13th, I will draw the 3 winners. I will notify you that you've won by replying to your comment, so it is imperative that you have notifications turned on. If I do not get a response from you within 24 hours after letting you know that you won, I will pick a new winner. So don't be that person. So that's it for this giveaway. My next giveaway will correspond with a review I do next Wednesday on some new Chalk Zero product. So get ready for that. Good luck, and thanks for watching.